Back in March and April, it was estimated that about 10% of us had heard of somebody who may have been affected by COVID. Now in November, it's estimated that 65% of us know somebody, in many cases very intimate, that have been affected by COVID, despite all of our efforts to, shut down, lock down, and practice safety. So this COVID, Mother Nature, I've never seen Mother Nature be defeated, and this is part of that process. So I do want to reinforce that the infection rates are very alarming. The increases in hospitalizations are equally alarming. Though the outcomes are better and the length of stays are beginning to shorten a little bit, it's still serious. And so, and I believe the right approach, instead of mandating and instead of, browbeating people, that we inform, we inspire, and then we give them calls to action. And in this case, the calls to action, Frank, are to be situationally aware and be very respectful of people's space. Honor the policies of those organizations and places where you go. If they got mask requirements, then wear the mask and don't be contentious about it. Of course, practice very disciplined personal hygiene. Keep your distance. Socially distanced really works. And if you cannot avoid close contact, wear a mask and don't worry about it. Don't worry about what that means. It's not a political statement. It's just something out of respect. And then lastly, and this is the one that's hard, is that because of the contagiousness of this virus apparently is increasing, everybody needs to consider the risk and reward of the kinds of activities they're going to be planning for the holidays. I'm not suggesting people have to cancel their gatherings, but just think about who's there, how many people, and just really think through that process, because what we're finding is that it's those kinds of places and activities are the single biggest source, other than nursing homes still, single biggest source of the spread. So all of those things add up to are the calls to action that people can do. We don't need another statewide mandate. We just need everybody to lock arms and work together on this.
Well, yesterday the governor was slamming the legislature for not coming to the table on these talks about COVID, and it sounds as if you're pretty much in agreement with her on what to do about it.
Other than I think mandates at this stage of the game, based on their history and their practices, would be counterproductive. Let's inform, inspire, and then give people something to take action on.
Senator Mike Shirkey, the Senate Majority Leader, appreciate the time this morning. Keep up the hard work on our behalf, sir.